Are we experiencing two economies right now? Let's dive into the October 2022 housing update and see what's going on. Real quick, if you have any questions or want to discuss your real estate options, you can book a time to chat with me on my Calendly link below. And make sure you subscribe, comment, and give a thumbs up. We want to hear from you. Let's look at the 4 key stats to help us understand what's happening in the Northern Virginia real estate market. Prices, inventory, absorption rate, and days on market. Prices. The median sold price of single-family homes dropped 2.9% from August 2022, with a median sold price of $845,000. But that's not the whole story. We know prices reported this month are a reflection of activity from 30 to 60 days ago. So let's look at where prices are trending by looking at a few cities so we can get an idea of the percentage of homes that had price reductions over the last week. So check this out. Fairfax, 58%. Vienna, 42%. Gainesville, 58%. Arlington, 44%. Springfield, 61%. The Delray area of Alexandria, and it came in at 57%. We'll definitely keep an eye on the percentage of price reductions to see if this trend continues through the holidays. So here's what's happening. Prices are reducing because interest rates continue to rise, not because a glut of properties are coming to market. Here's a quote from the Freddie Mac website dated October 13th, 2022. Rates resumed the record-setting climb this week, with a 30-year fixed rate mortgage reaching its highest level since April of 2002. We continue to see a tale of two economies in the data. Strong job and wage growth are keeping consumers' balance sheets positive, while lingering inflation, recession fears, and housing affordability are driving housing demand down precipitously. The next several months will undoubtedly be important for the economy and the housing market. All right, so interest rates are affecting housing affordability, even with the strong job market, and we're continuing to see that buyers are lacking urgency to buy and sellers are lacking urgency to really sell. Some sellers are even considering to convert their property into an investment and rent it out. Make sure to check out my video discussing affordability next week. Stat number 2, inventory. Let's take a look at this chart for a minute. The inventory of homes rose from August to September by 5.7%. So what's happening here? As I mentioned earlier, this is not completely due to more inventory hitting the market. It's really due to buyers pulling back from their search due to rising interest rates, affordability, and some are backing out of contracts. So the trend to watch is whether inventory will continue to rise through winter months because of rising interest rates. And then really the big question is, will interest rates and inventory rise during the spring market? All right, absorption rate. The absorption rate is calculated by dividing the number of homes that sold by the total number of homes still for sale. The higher the absorption rate, the faster homes are selling. If the absorption rate is lower, homes are not selling as fast. This is important because it helps us understand the demand in a certain area within a specific time period. If the absorption rate is declining, you as a seller may need to reevaluate the price of your property. If the absorption rate is on a slow decline, this may be a good opportunity to put in an offer that's more favorable to you. In September, the absorption rate for single-family homes in the Northern Virginia area was 53%. Last month, it was 73%. This indicates that less homes were being absorbed or purchased by month's end, so you will have more options of homes to tour before making a decision. However, we are getting to that part of the year that new inventory decreases due to the holidays, so keep that in mind. Stat number 4, days on market. If there are a lot of homes for sale and not enough buyers, days on market is likely to be high, and vice versa. The median days on market for single-family homes were 18 in September 2022 and only 11 days in August. Days on market trends are a leading indicator of how urgent buyers are to write offers on homes, and it also sets expectations for sellers to know how long it may take to receive a reasonable offer. So now that I've covered all 4 key market stats that I always track, I want to talk about one hot topic, and that is mortgage interest rates. Mortgage rates have been on the move upward over the last month. Actually, in the last 2 months, it's over like 1.7%. So we're starting to experience how interest rates impact affordability. But as I said last month, we work with local lenders who have some very good programs right now that are significantly below the national averages, and they're helping our clients get some decent rates. So reach out and we'll be happy to guide you through the home buying journey and connect you with these great lenders. Until next time.